You're going to love the striking design of this 1970s home. Welcome to 53 Soleares Avenue.
What a fabulous low slope position it is. You've got a wonderful view of the estuary, the water and the Southern Alps.
On offer is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This home offers fabulous entertaining with family and friends out to an expansive wraparound deck overlooking the stunning views. You're going to love sitting around the pizza oven in the inbuilt concrete dining setting in this wonderful elevated deck with the sun setting. Recent renovations have really improved the livability of this home. You've got brand new carpet, double glazed joinery and a lovely entertainer's kitchen.
You've got a fabulous flat lawn, great for kids, canines, plus you've got a playhouse as well.
With the Stand Evens from Ray White Ferrymead, I'm Paula.
I'm Simon.
We look forward to showing you through this awesome home soon.